What's going on, guys? So in today's tutorial I'll be showing you exactly how to do this glitch effect for your portraits. So first thing first, to do this effect you're going to need Final Cut Pro. So open Final Cut Pro. Once you do that, hit File, New, Projects. You're going to go to Video and go to Custom. Now I'm going to change the resolution to 1080 by 1920. This is going to do like a portrait ratio. If you wanted like an Instagram square, then change it to 1080 by 1080. Then hit OK. Once you do that, go to your portraits, drag them into your timeline, bam. Now as you can see, it's kind of like a top and bottom black bars. So what you need to do is go to the right hand side and hit scale and increase it until it fills. Perfect. Okay, so to do this effect, what you need to do is go to the effects panel and type in bad TV. And this is what you're going to need to create the effect. So drag it onto your timeline. And as you can see straight away, if I play this, it does the glitch effect, but the only problem is it's done it to the whole clip, and we don't want that. We want it to be on selected parts of the image. So how we do that is we go to the effects at the top here, click this icon, which is a mask icon, hit add color mask, and what this will enable you to do is use a color picker tool to select which color you want to be affected by the glitch. So for me, I want it to be these kind of blues. So I'm going to select, highlight and drag, and as you can see, it shows you what's going to be affected. Once I let go, bam! And as you can see, it's done a glitch effect that I so happen to desire. Now you can also use the effects panel to change the amount if you want it to be more glitchy, if you want it to be less. If you want to change the sort of static type, you can change it to like TV static or white noise, etc., which is kind of cool. I'm going to show you another example, this image of Tiana that I took. Again, we're going to go to the effects panel down here, bad TV, drag it across. It's done a glitch effect. Hit this icon here, which is the mask icon, add color mask, select the color that you want. For me, it's going to be about here. Ooh. Boom. Perfect. Let's try one more time on this example here, this image of Jay. Let's extend this a bit. Bad TV, drag on a portrait, hit the mask icon, add color mask. I want to do it to just the outside of her hair. Perfect. I'll put the amount up a little bit. There we go. Amazing. Now you don't necessarily need to do it with just portraits. You can also do it with like landscapes or any other type of photo. So for here, I'm going to use the bad TV so I can isolate the sky and a little bit of the building so the buildings go crazy. So drag it across, mask icon, add color mask, select the color blue and make sure it selects a little bit of the buildings. That should be enough. I'm gonna change the amount up a bit, change it to TV static, and well, bam! Even make it go even more crazy. Perfect. Alright guys, if you like this video, share, subscribe, comment, like. I want to see you make photos like this. If you do, then tag me on Instagram, DM me on Instagram, or comment below. If you have any other tutorials you want to see me make, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.